Hey guys, it's me Ben here at Neha Wireless, going live just for a quick second. So guys, most of you already know, but I'll go ahead and touch base on that again. Neha Wireless here. We are all about leasing, so anything that you see in this store, you can have for for $80 or less and make easy payments. Guys, if you have a phone that is needing a repair, we can do that. We don't work on just iPhones. We work on Androids as well. So the prices do vary a little more on the Androids. So just give us a call or message us on Facebook if you need a quote, and we'll be happy to help you with that. Screen repairs, iPhone up to iPhone 8 Plus is $39 plus tax for a screen repair. iPhone X through 11 Pro Max is only $79 plus tax. And then iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max are only $149 plus tax. So guys, I hope everyone is having a great day, and I hope to see you in here.